From the Convertify customizing section, let's head to the header style and make a change to see what our Hero Nav looks like. So we're going to head to header settings and we're going to choose Hero Nav. Now what this does is it brings our header into this hero section, this hero area and image section here. So as you can see, we have this dog image, which now is the background as well for our navigation. Now I can make some changes here if I please. As you can see, the dark text doesn't look too great. So let's head to colors. We can change our header text color to be white, for example, which makes it just look a little bit nicer as well. If I hit publish, let's take a look at what this looks like. I'm going to hit refresh and we can see that our white text looks a little bit nicer there as well, which I think looks fantastic. Now the navigation is in the picture. The spacing doesn't look too great because by default the content is in the middle. So specifically for the hero navigation, let's make some changes to make it look a little bit nicer. So let's head back to our hero area and image section. And because our form sits there and it's brought our entire hero image up a little bit, I can choose to add, let's say 130 pixels just to sit it a little bit further down to look a little bit nicer. So let's choose it a little bit more, maybe go 230 pixels, which then sits a little bit nicer again between our navigation menu and the page, which I think looks a little bit nicer. Let's publish. Let's see what this looks like. As you can see, it brings it all down, which makes it look a little bit nicer too. Now let's set up some more styling customization to make it look even better. So let's go back to our header settings and let's choose to uncheck the uppercase letters and let's choose to justify the content in the center. I can also choose, for example, to make some changes to the submenu settings. Let's choose, for example, to pick a different submenu sign. Let's choose hand pointing down. And let's make the font size, let's make it 18 pixels, so it's a little bit larger. As we can see, we have this little hand that points down, which I think looks pretty cool. Let's hit publish and see what this looks like. As we can see, if we hit refresh, we've brought our content to the center a little bit more. We can see what this looks like on our other devices, which especially looks very nice on mobile for the centered content. We have our logo next to our navigation menu, which I think looks pretty great.